I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start immediately by verifying essentials on the Android. Make sure location is set to high accuracy and the device is signed into a Google account. Once done, enable Find My Device and Location History in Android settings so the phone can report position. Now pick up your iPhone, open Safari or Chrome, and get ready to sign in to the same Google account or have the Android owner sign in for you so you can request a live location in the next steps. On your iPhone, open Google.com/Android/find and sign into the Google account used on the Android. Once signed in, select the target device from the device list and tap Locate. Google will query GPS, Wi-Fi, and cell data to give you the best position. If the phone is online, you'll see a map, plus options to play sound, secure device, or erase. Use those sparingly. Make sure the Android stays connected to the internet and has location services active while you monitor. To track continuously, set up Google Maps location sharing from the Android. Open Maps, share location with your Google account for a time frame or indefinitely. Once sharing is active, open Maps on iPhone and view the shared device. Alternatively, install Life 360 on both devices for persistent background tracking and alerts. If tracking fails, make sure location and background location are allowed, disable aggressive battery optimization on the Android, and confirm both devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.